Have you ever looked at your hair and felt like it's just not thriving the way it used to? Maybe it feels dry, dull, thin, or like it's breaking faster than it's growing. If so, you're not alone. And today we're talking about one of the most underrated nutrients for strong, beautiful, healthy hair, vitamin E. This simple antioxidant may be the key to awakening your scalp, restoring shine, reducing shedding, and supporting real hair growth. Stay with me, because the why behind vitamin E is what makes it so powerful. Why hair struggles to grow hair doesn't just stop growing. Something interrupts the process. Most people with thinning or slow growth are dealing with weak follicles, oxidative stress, dry scalp, poor circulation, damage and breakage. Vitamin E targets all of these. That's why it's considered a hair healer. Once you repair the environment your hair grows in, your growth cycle becomes stronger and more consistent. What vitamin E does for hair. Vitamin E is powerful because 1. It boosts scalp circulation. Better blood flow equals better nutrients delivered to follicles equals stronger growth. 2. It repairs damage from the inside out. Vitamin E neutralizes oxidative stress, which is one of the biggest causes of thin, weak, lifeless hair. 3. It deeply moisturizes hair and scalp. Vitamin E prevents moisture loss and smooths the cuticle, reducing frizz and breakage. 4. It reduces inflammation. A calmer scalp grows hair better. It supports a balanced environment for consistent growth. 5. It adds shine and softness. Vitamin E makes hair look instantly healthier, soft, glossy, and nourished. How to use vitamin E for hair method. 1. Vitamin E oil, scalp massage, puncture 1 to 2 vitamin E capsules. Mix with a lighter oil like jojoba or almond. Massage into scalp for 2 to 3 minutes, use 2 to 3 times per week. This boosts circulation and hydrates deeply. Method 2. Add to your conditioner. Add a few drops into your conditioner or mask for shine and smoothness. Method 3. Internal use. Through food, sunflower seeds, almonds, spinach, avocado, olive oil, all boost vitamin E levels naturally. Method 4. Strengthening hot oil treatment. Warm your vitamin E mix and apply from roots to ends. Leave for 20 to 30 minutes. Consistency equals results. This is what you can expect. With regular use, here's the realistic timeline. Week 1 to 2, softer hair, less dryness, improved shine. Week 3 to 5, reduced shedding, smoother texture, stronger strands. Month 2 to 3, visible thickness, better growth retention, healthier edges. Vitamin E won't magically grow hair overnight, but it creates the perfect environment for growth. If you feel discouraged about your hair, I want you to hear this. Your hair isn't failing. It's asking for nourishment. Vitamin E is gentle, affordable, and effective because it works with your body, not against it. Your hair can recover. It can grow. You just need the right support and patience. Here's the bonus. Combine vitamin E with rosemary oil for a powerful growth-stimulating blend. Rosemary boosts circulation, while vitamin E repairs damage. If this video helped you, comment below. I'm trying vitamin E. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural hair growth secrets. Your healthy hair journey starts now. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Be blessed.